Thank you, Chairman. Chairman Shimorthy, Ranking Member Cloud, and members of the subcommittee, my name is Jeff Simmons. I'm the President and CEO of Elanco Animal Health. I joined Elanco 33 years ago directly out of college because of the company's culture and its commitment to make a difference in the lives of animals. Our company and our people are dedicated to protecting and enhancing the health of animals, which is why I appreciate the opportunity today to provide more details on our Seresto collar. There are a few points I'd like to emphasize up front. First, the EPA approved Seresto following more than 80 safety and toxicity studies, all of which show that Seresto and its ingredients have a strong safety profile. Second, more than 80 regulatory bodies around the world have approved Seresto. Seresto is widely used in more than 80 million collars worn over the past decade to protect dogs and cats from fleas and ticks around the world. Third, adverse event reports are not intended to be, and in fact are absolutely not, proof of causation. Reports require further investigation and analysis to determine cause. And after years of review, our pharmacovigilance team, made up of veterinarians and other experts who study adverse event reports, has not identified a single death caused by the active ingredients in the collar. Finally, the benefits Seresto brings to pets and their owners are very significant and must be weighed against any risk. Seresto provides working families with 8 continuous months of protection against fleas and ticks and an affordable, easy-to-use collar available over the counter. Fleas and ticks aren't just annoying, they can carry serious and potentially fatal diseases to pets and people like Lyme disease and Rocky Mountain spotted fever. At Elanco, we understand the unique and loving bond pet owners have with their pets. And as someone who's always had dogs as part of our family, I share that bond. This understanding drives our rigorous, science-backed approach to safety. We're committed to transparency and take adverse event reports, which we share with the EPA, very seriously. At the same time, our decisions are guided by the best available scientific evidence. And that evidence provides robust support for the strong safety profile of Seresto. Seresto was first approved by the EPA in 2012, following numerous toxicity studies, pharmacokinetic studies, safety studies, and laboratory and field efficacy studies. Seresto's safety was studied in dogs and cats actually wearing the collars. Some pets wore up to 5 Seresto collars at a time, at the only treatment-related adverse effects seen in any of these studies were some local reactions caused by the physical nature of the collar. The incident report data similarly supports Seresto's safety. We recognize the impression that can be left with viewing the total number of incident reports without any context or analysis. But with 33 million collars sold in the United States alone, incident reports, mostly of which are minor or moderate, represent an extremely small proportion of the Seresto collars in use. Moreover, incident reports are submitted to the EPA without regard to causation. The best scientific evidence available shows the overwhelming majority of reported major events not even possibly caused by Seresto's active ingredients. No product is without risk. What matters is whether those risks are reasonable and in light of the benefits. Numerous studies and the incident report data for Seresto demonstrate the product does not pose an unreasonable risk and has a strong safety profile, which is why the American Veterinary Medical Association opposed canceling Seresto's EPA registration. The incidence of flea and tick-borne diseases is on the rise. CDC estimates approximately 500,000 cases of Lyme disease and Rocky Mountain spotted fever annually. Climate change may accelerate this trend. Seresto offers pet owners a much-needed, cost-effective option for protecting their pets and people as well. Given the robust scientific evidence for Seresto's strong safety profile, we are proud to stand behind the product. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to your questions.